G'day, Chris Warrick from the GRDC Grain Storage Extension team. I want to remind you to do a pressure test before every fumigation. Here's a good reason why. We're just about to fumigate this silo. Thought we'd better do a pressure test just to make sure it is actually sealed. And we've realised that we hadn't put the cover on the outlet auger, the unload auger. So it's really easy to sometimes rely on the manufacturers doing a pressure test when the silo's installed or delivered, and rely on that pressure test for the few years to follow. But a quick pressure test, it doesn't take long. A quick pressure test before every fumigation will make sure the silo is actually sealed, we haven't left a cover off, or that we don't need to repair a seal or repair a lid that might have been bent or broken. So a quick pressure test before every fumigation gives us confidence that it's going to be worthwhile and we're going to get a good kill on the insects that might be in the storage. For more information, go to storedgrain.com.au or give one of the team a call on 1800 Weevil.